Imagine a foldable phone so thin it rivals a USB-C port and tough enough to handle water jets and underwater dunks. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's real, and it's coming soon, the OnePlus Open 2, the global version of Oppo's jaw-dropping Find N5. Trust me, this is the foldable we've all been waiting for. The Oppo Find N5 is stealing the spotlight in China, and for good reason. Set to launch in February 2025, this foldable is rewriting the rules with its cutting-edge design and next-level features. And history tells us that the OnePlus Open 2 will soon follow as its global twin. Let's start with the design. This thing is thin. Oppo claims it's as slim as a USB-C port. Yes, you heard that right. Their product manager even called it a breakthrough in smartphone design, not just for foldables but for the entire industry. And judging by the teasers, they might not be exaggerating. But that's not all, it's also built to endure. Oppo is flexing some insane water resistance ratings, IPX6, IPX8, and even IPX9. Translation? It can withstand high-pressure water jets and even survive underwater for up to 30 minutes. It's practically a foldable built for the elements. But here's the catch, these ratings only apply to freshwater. So, a beach day might not be the best idea. Plus, there's no dust resistance, so keep that in mind if you're planning to take it off-road. Now, let's compare it to the competition. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Special Edition may have IP48 ratings, which include dust protection, but Oppo's IPX9 water resistance sets a new bar. It's not often you see foldables that can handle this level of water exposure. The real question is, will OnePlus stick with these impressive specs when they launch the Open 2 globally? Brands often scale back features for international markets, but OnePlus has been upping its game. After the OnePlus 13 impressed everyone, there's hope they'll stay true to Oppo's bold claims. With the Find N5 launch just around the corner, leaks and rumors are only going to heat up. If the OnePlus Open 2 delivers on the ultra-thin design, groundbreaking water resistance, and flagship specs, it could shake up the foldable space like never before. So, what do you think? Does the OnePlus Open 2 have what it takes to redefine foldables? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all the latest tech, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning, stay tuned.